Shenseea buy her best friend a car. Now, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. I'm glad to report this to you. You see what I say? Because a long time when I get no good news. But I'm more than delighted to tell you that Shenseea has purchased a car for her friend. And it seems like they're my friend from high school. I'm going to show you that with the details. But for now, just watch the video and see what go on.
Surprise! You got a new car! Achoo, see that? Achoo! Achoo!
Prank me.
My bite for you, idiot. Yeah.
She not total because she couldn't even believe it. You know what she has said? I no fear car, them a prank car. This is her first car. Because if you look on the video, I'm just show you, it was taken from Shenseea's story. And it did say, I bought my bestie her first car. And then furthermore, you know, I'm going to go over her page, go check it out. And she had a caption, and she said, though, my sister bought me my first car. Who happy like me? I am so grateful to have her. She has done so much for me. I appreciate everything. At Shenseea, I love you. All right. So, you know what I mean, people, this just what my art. Every now and then, I get to do a video about Shenseea or Ramesh, them I give us something. You see me, I say, whether amongst them one another or somebody else, you see me, I say, I don't know how them generous over that side. You see me? So big them up on that, big up Shenseea. This is a kind and selfless act. So, big up yourself on that. You see what I say? So Shenseea did leave a comment under her friend page when she posted on her page, right? She just post a picture. She never had no video or nothing. She just post a picture she up on the car and thing. And Shenseea said, Goody, we ready for your tear off the sidewalk. I am grateful to have you in my life. Been loyal since high school. Love you. Hashtag Rad. So, I don't know, maybe our pet name that fit. And then two people comment under it. And one I say, awesome baby girl, I love you guys. Friendship. And another person say, Shenseea, this is so sweet of you. Not surprising to me. I know your guys are really tight. Right? So, Shen Yang fan them know the relationship between Shenseea and her best friend, and them say them no surprised at all. You saw me, I said them know Shenseea better than me. Me just follow, and you know what I mean, I catch certain things, me not catch everything, but them know what I go on. So, big up Shenseea upon this. Also, big up our friend and our new car. You see what I say? So, I want to get into the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this. Now, I say that, but I understand saying that everybody have a celebrity friends and regular friends like you and I can't just buy a car give with friends. But, you know what I mean? On different levels, something might go on there just as much what we can afford. So if you have good friends like that, you know what I mean, tag your friend and tell them, say, come watch that video here, and you know what I mean, leave a comment or whatever. But you know what I mean, it's always good for have some friends where you can really lean upon and over a period of time, like from high school, you know what I mean, even though Shenseea them younger, I mean, it's been a while since they left high school, at least 2-3 years or more, and the friendship still a go on. You saw me, I say. So, if we do the maths, you know what I mean, just to have a quick judgment, because I don't really know, would I say over a 5-year friendship. And she value her friend that much for buy her a car, if you don't get what I say. But other than that, you know what I mean, if it's your first time on this page and you haven't liked and follow this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. And if you're watching on YouTube and it's your first time and you haven't subscribed to this page, please subscribe to this page for daily updates. Thank you.
Yeah.
Take your time.